Tony Bush Jr. show. And I'm putting a hole in my crankshaft. Yes. Yes. Why? Why do you say? Why do you ask? Well, again, I'm going pro charger. I'm boosting this engine, so I don't want the crank pulley to spin on the crankshaft. So we got to resecure it with a pinning kit from this company called ATI. So yeah, I'm gonna learn today.
You gonna learn today.
And so before we get there, push that little button. The like, the subscribe, the comment, whatever y'all want to do. Whatever you want to do. All right. So yeah, we gonna dive into it. If you want more information on how to do the pinning kit process from step by step, check out my other video, the Tony's Tech Tip Tuesday. I go step by step on how to do it, okay? So we gonna dive in. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a good one. See you in a minute. Okay, mother suckers. Woo! We back. We are back, man. It's time to do this. It's time to put a hole in my crankshaft. Okay, so I got this. I got my hub from ATI. I'm just gonna slide that in place. Okay, that looks good. I think that's where I want it. All right, then I'm gonna put my crank bolt back in, baby. And lock it down. I'm gonna lock it down. Like I be locking, you know what I'm saying? You gotta lock it down like it's a relationship. This is me and you. We are one. We are a unit. Unit. So let me get at some love taps. Couple of love taps. All right, make sure they don't. All right, make sure they don't come off. All right, that's good. Now what I want to do is put in the first bushing. All right. Dang, gotta find the hole.
So tight. Wrong hole, fool.
Ooh. All right. Smaller bushing first. All right, then the bigger one. After that, I'm gonna lock this down. All right, make sure it don't move. Okay, this is where it gets scary. Oh boy. Oh, off there, Father, Jesus, heaven, please be with me. I'm going to drill. Okay, I'm going to do it. All right, I'm gonna drill slow. Oh my goodness. I'm doing this. Oh boy. This might take a little time. I'm drilling a hole. shaft has been pinned, baby. Woo! All right. There you go. See the surface. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this little, come on, camera, focus, baby, focus for me. Now, see that keyway? See that keyway? See the keyway? So now, I'm gonna match it up and make sure it goes on smooth. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, girl.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. It's go time. It is go time. All right. So the painting kit, it was a struggle. I mean, it was a nail biter. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to massage this all the way on to the crank, bolt it down, torque it down, and I see you mother suckers in a minute. All right, mother suckers. All right, so now I'm taking this right here. It's my little jig. This is the official LS crank pulley installer. Cause I mean this thing is super long.
That's what she said.
And this crank pulley sticks out pretty far in the stock bolt. I mean the crankshaft bolt that goes in here, it's not long enough to press this on. So you use this tool to press it on, and then speed this up a little bit. And then after you put this tool on and press it, then you can put the crank pulley in. So we're gonna start. Okay, got that good. So you see the space back here. I'm gonna start pressing this in, and it's go time. All right, now we're gonna take this, and it's real important before you so you guys can see, before you put your crank bolt in. Now this is a ARP crank bolt, and it's reusable. The stock crank bolts are not reusable, and what they recommend you do is take some of the ARP lubricant, and man, I should have my gloves on right now. This sucks. They want you to take some of the ARP lubricant and put it on the base of the bolt, like so. Right? Kind of get at a whirl. Right? And they want you to put it on the top of the washer. So the bottom of the washer and the top of the washer. That way when you torque this down, it will torque to the bolt and not to the washer. So that's the reasoning. ATI wants you to torque this down to 237, and they want you to use red Loctite. Okay, mother suckers. All right, it's time to install this mother-sucking crank bolt and torque it down to 237 foot-pounds of torque from what ATI told me that's what they wanted to. I got my red Loctite. My red Loctite is on there. I got my work reach. It's set to 237. And the crank pulley is on. I got my the crank holder tool, crank pulley holder tool in place. And man, whoo. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. 237. I'm coming. Oh man, this is gonna suck. This is gonna suck. Okay. I'm at 37 foot-pounds of torque. By the way, 37. Okay. 45.
45, 47.
Viewers, yeah, if you're bored at home and if anybody out there wants to take over, please feel free. Cause I'm only at 70. I'm at 70 foot-pounds of torque. You see how much I've been turning. Whew. I might have to take my inhaler. Oh boy. Oh boy. My eyes gonna pop out. We gotta go to 237? Good God, Jesus! Oh. Look, it ain't even trying to beep. That's 107. $195. Woo! That was like 217. We almost there, baby. We almost there, baby. Yes! Woo! 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 You like a Ric Flair? Woo! All right, 237. Yes. That was not supposed to happen, but it did. All right, cool. Crank pulley is on, is locked down. Don't have to worry about that no more. Done. Freaking done.
Okay, so we got some good work done. We got some freaking good work done. We pinned the crank. We put the new ATI balancer on and twerked it down to 237 foot-pounds of torque. And that's the end result. I still have the tool on there. I'm gonna take it off in a sec. Yeah. So next, on the next episode, moving along, we'll do the valve springs upgrade and probably take care of a few other little things. And yeah, I mean, we're on the road to boost. All right, it's coming, and I can't wait. So, mother suckers, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the mother sucking next one. Woo!